Welcome to this video on version control. Today, we are exploring why Git has become the absolute standard for software development. We will look at the specific advantages Git offers over older tools like Subversion or CVS, and why it is worth your time to master it. The biggest difference is architecture. In centralized systems like SVN, there is one server with the history, and you just have the files. If the server goes down, you are stuck. Git is distributed. This means every single developer has a full, complete copy of the entire project history on their own machine. It is safer and much more robust. Git is incredibly fast. Because your history is local, operations like checking the log, comparing versions, or committing code happen instantly on your hard drive. You do not have to wait for a network response from a server for every single command. It was built with performance in mind, using C code to handle even massive projects. In many older tools, creating a branch was a heavy, slow process that copied all your files. In Git, a branch is just a lightweight movable pointer to a commit. It is instantaneous. This encourages a workflow where you create a new branch for every single feature or bug fix, keeping your work organized and isolated. Git cares deeply about your data. Everything in Git is checksummed using an algorithm called SVN before it is stored. This means it is impossible to change the contents of any file or directory without Git knowing about it. You can trust that the history you see is exactly what was committed, with no corruption. Git introduces a unique concept called the staging area, or index. This is an intermediate step between your working files and the repository. It allows you to pick and choose exactly which changes you want to include in your next commit, rather than being forced to commit every changed file at once. Because you have the full repository on your laptop, you can work entirely offline. You can commit changes, browse history, and create branches while on a plane or train. You only need an internet connection when you are ready to push your changes to share them with your team. Finally, Git is the industry standard. It is used by over 90% of developers worldwide. Platforms like GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket provide an amazing ecosystem of tools around Git. Learning Git is a mandatory skill for almost any software engineering job today. To recap, Git offers a distributed architecture, unmatched speed, lightweight branching, and data integrity guarantees. It allows you to work offline and gives you control with the staging area. If you haven't started using Git yet, now is the perfect time to jump in.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.